Hey everybody, this is Melvin with TechRunner 24/7. And in today's video, we want to show you an awesome screen protector for your Galaxy Watch 4. The screen protector we're referring to is the Spigen Gloster Easy Fit. Now this is an exceptional product. I've used this before for iPhones and it's easy to do. And so this is the first I've seen it for the Galaxy Watch. So I thought I'd grab it up to test it out to see how it works for the watch itself. And so this is a 2-pack box, and we're going to try it out to see how well it works. And so a screen protector is recommended for your Galaxy Watch 4, just another layer of protection we can add to our watch. And so for demonstration purposes, we have our Galaxy Watch 4, and this is the 46 millimeter. And so let's open up the box itself and see what's inside. And so pulling out the content here, we have, like we said, this is a 2-pack box. And so we have 2 applications of screen protectors itself for the watch. And so we're going to just use one. So we're going to set this one down here and press that, move that back there. And we're going to set the other to the side. And of course we have our directions here, installation directions. And so be sure to read over this so you can put it on properly. And also we have a little pack here with our materials. And so what's inside our pack is a little squeegee here to make sure to get all the bubbles out of the screen protector if there's any. And then we got a couple of wipes, wet wipes to clean the screen. And we got a microfiber cloth to buff the screen. And we got a couple of dust remover stickers. And this is just a piece of information where you can scan the QR code that'll give you some directions on how to remove the bubbles out of the screen if you have any. So what we're going to do first is we're going to grab our wet wipe and we're going to clean the screen real good with the wet wipe. And then set that to the side, and then we're going to grab our microfiber cloth and we're going to buff it real good. Wipe off the screen, dry that off and clean it up real good. Then we're going to go over and grab our dust remover sticker and dab the screen to make sure we get any lint or dust that may be blowing around that landed on the screen. And next we're going to go ahead and grab our screen protector. And so now we're going to grab our screen protector, and it's encased in this plastic, and this plastic fits over the top of the watch like so. And it fits, fits exactly so, perfectly like so. And so we're going to take that back up, and what you need to do is reach in here and you're going to peel off this adhesive, which is for, if you can see it real well, for the screen protector. We're going to set that down, and then we're going to hold it just like this, as you can read it. So this is the right way to hold it. Then you're going to put it on top of the screen, on top of the watch, and press it down. And once you have it down on top of the watch, you want to rub right here in the middle. And then after you do that, we're going to wait probably, we'll say 10 to 15 seconds. Then we're going to reach right here and we're going to peel, well actually it says here, and we're going to peel up that other piece of adhesive here, if I can grab it. I don't have any fingernails. And so you're going to grab it like so, and you're going to pull that up. Then again, we're going to rub it just a little bit more, and then we're going to lift up the plastic part. And as you can see, The screen protector is there. Then we're going to grab our squeegee here, and we're going to rub that a little bit to get the air bubbles out. I'm going to lay that down and do that, which would be better. So lay it down, and we're going to squeegee, call ourselves squeegeeing out the bubbles. And once we do that, we're going to use the corner of that to kind of grab that piece there, which is the other piece of adhesive on the screen protector, and we're going to peel it up. And as you can see, it's kind of like a little, like we said, piece of plastic there. And we're going to rub it just a little bit with our finger. Better yet, let's grab our microfiber cloth and rub it a little bit more. And let's grab our squeegee one more time and go over that. And buff it again, like I said, with our microfiber cloth. This is my first time doing it. And so that is it. We got our screen protector on there. Like we got a little bubble right there. And that may be a little piece of lint that I didn't get out good. But the screen protector went on perfect. As you can see it at an angle. You can kind of see it on there. But I still got a little bubble. And I think that one, maybe a piece of lint. If not, it will come out. And so that's it for our installation of our screen protector by Spigen in Gloucester. And so that was very easy to put on, and it put it on perfectly. So that's it for our video for today, how to put on an awesome screen protector on a Galaxy Watch 4. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.